Well, hello. This is the Hunter, and I am getting ready to ride my Honda CR250R at my house in Hawaii. We'll see if I get anything interesting on here. Could be completely uneventful. I haven't ridden here in several months, so we'll see what happens. How it goes when you're in college. But, well, we'll see. Might be fun. Or, could be a bust. If I'm lucky, I could crash and get it on video. Alright. Got brand new tires. Exciting. I have not ever ridden with completely fresh tires before. It's gonna be fun. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoy. Alright, well, that was a tour of the road that I've grown up driving on, riding on, learning how to go. Is this locked? No way. Oh, shucks. Probably trying to keep out the hunters. Not myself, even though that's my name. I own all this land around here. Well, not over there, or over there, but this road I'm riding up and down on I own. And all that land up there, I'm free to ride on. So, we'll see. This is probably locked too. It's not locked, but it looks heavy. Alright, I'll just ride back. Hit up this road again. It's fun, but the washed out part with the rocks is no good. Do not like rocks. The new tires are nice. They're, I thought they'd be a little grippier, but I can definitely feel it. I'm lifting up the front tire in accident frequently, and that's a good sign that I'm getting traction again. Well, I'm going to head back down this road and back up that road where I came from. And, yeah, maybe I'll take a little break after that or find somewhere else to ride on. This area is a little bit, usually I can go up there to several hundred acres of just free land to roam on and check out, but nope, not right now. Actually, this property used to be ours, but we sold it. And these people built a track on there, and I had their permission to ride on it before, but I haven't talked to them for a while, so I don't want to just ride over there and start mobbing their track and they come out and, be pissed at me. So, yeah. And actually this spot right here is where I hunt from. Usually there's some wild pigs that cross right up there, halfway between here and the end over there, and I can just sit here and wait for them, and they'll come right to me, and I could just take my shot. But unfortunately, my gun's kind of having some issues right now. So yeah, I'm out of commission. Back to riding dirt bike for now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. I am going to go take a little break, get some water, see if this video came out okay. This is a kind of untested position on my helmet and untested camera, so yeah. If not, or if it does work well, you'll see more. If not, well, I'm sorry. You'll never know the difference.